Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2016 Nissan X-Trail T32 ST, stock reference number 4041. This shape runs from the second month 2014 and is the current shape. It's got a QR25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. QR25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front and the rear. Left hand guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with 17-inch factory alloy mags. Left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door has 2 small dents. Left rear door also has 2 small dents. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left tail light, left tailgate garnish, right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has 3 small dents, right power door mirror, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.